Guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to be doing a little design using some of the products out of Melodysusie's brand new Fleurwee gel polish gift box. Now I have already done a video unboxing this gift box. If anyone's not seen that video, I will leave the link for that one at the end of this video. So I'm just going to give you a little brief show of what comes in the box. So they're the swatches. Really beautiful colours. That pink is a shimmer pink. I'm trying to show you it here. It is stunning. Look at that. Some really nice colours there. Your kind of staple colours that we all need. And we're going to be using these daisy stickers today. And we're going to be using a couple of the brushes out of the brush collection. We're also going to be using P11, that shimmery pink, and P14, which is the bright white. So that's everything that we're going to use out of the gift box. Pulled out my Aliana hand, pulled some full cover tips out and put them in the cuticle wells. I'm starting off by giving all 4 tips a coat of P11. Now these have also got names as well. I did tell you the names to them in my previous video. I can't remember what they're called now. I'll leave a note on the screen of the names of them. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same colour as the tips that I've used, but I just wanted them to have that kind of shimmer on them, what this gorgeous gel polish has got. So I'm just going to give all 4 tips a coat of that, and then I'll give them a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. These gel polishes smell stunning as well, guys. They have got a subtle hint of flowers, smell beautiful. These gel polishes are plant-based as well. They're great for anyone that's got allergies and things like that. They're a really great quality formula. Oh, look at that shimmer. And that colour as well is beautiful, isn't it? So I've pulled out this detailer brush. And this is P14. Now I'm painting a French tip. So I'm just painting the outline with the brush out of the bottle, and then I will come in and neaten that up with my detailer brush. But I'm not taking that right to the tip, right to the very tip. Only about that far down I want to go. So I'm just going in with my detailer brush now. I'm just going to neaten it all up, making sure that smile line's all nice and crisp, and the end of that white tip is all nice and straight and crisp as well. So that's that all nice and neat. Now I've pulled out a Melodysusie gel polish out of a different collection. Colour 854, which is like a sunshine yellow. And I'm just painting a strip on the very tip of that middle nail. Going in with my detailer brush and neatening all that up so it's nice and straight. Now I have done the exact same on the pinky nail, but I did that one off camera, just to save a little bit of time. It's exactly the same as the middle nail. So you'll see there, the pinky nail's all done. So now we're going to use these daisy stickers. I'm just going to stick one in the corner of that cuticle area on the pointer finger. Make sure that's all nicely stuck down. And then one on the free edge in the right hand corner of the ring fingernail. Make sure that's all nicely stuck down. Like that. So now I've pulled out the dotting tool, which was out of the brush collection of the gift box. I've popped a little bit of P14, which is the white, on my palette. And we're now going to do some 4 pointed stars. So to do 4 pointed stars, all I do is a dot with my dotting tool, and then I get my detailer brush and I pull a line going down from that dot, a line going to the left from that dot, and then a line going up from the dot, And then we'll pull a line out to the right, coming out of the dot. And that is it. So easy to do these 4 pointed stars, and they're so effective as well. They really finish designs off nicely. So I'm just making sure they're all nice and neat, and then I'll pop the hand in the lamp for a flash cure just for about 10-15 seconds, just to hold that all in place, just in case I knock it when I come to do the other nail. And then lastly, I'm just going to do the odd little dots dotted about on those two nails using that dotting tool. And then I'll give them a full cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm using the Melodysusie No Wipe Shiny Top Coat, which is out of another collection. Really nice top coat. This is super glossy. I'm going to give all 4 tips a coat of this top coat, give them a cure for 60 seconds, and then we'll take a look at them all finished. And then that is what they look like all finished. A really easy, quick, beginner-friendly design. Very summery. I really like them. I love them like French tips with the strip on the end. I really like them. That top coat is super glossy as well, isn't it, guys? Really nice top coat. So, everything that I've used today, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. I have got a discount code for Melodysusie. I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with a link to the Melodysusie website. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, guys. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.